Welcome fellas to this new video of Express. Paying a friend back into dinner shouldn't cost you an extra 3%. I'm gonna be showing you the exact step to avoid fees and more importantly, the 3 situations where you should never use this option. So to pay 0 fees, you must meet 3 criteria. First, you and the recipient must be into the same country. Second of all, you must use your PayPal balance or a link to the bank account. And if you use credit or debit card, PayPal will charge you a processing fee even for friends. So stick to your bank account for a total of $0. So to send the payment, you wanted to type the option that says pay and get paid. And here you want to look out for the option that says paid or send payments. You wanted to enter the actual email or the phone number of the person you wanted to pay for. You select that element and you select the amount that you would like to pay. For example, let's say $444.44. So in this case, I want the user to receive exactly the same amount, in this case USD dollar. Now you wanted to make sure that into the screen you select 2 options. There is the friend and family and goods and services. You make sure that you select the element that says friends and family. You might see that this one appears as blue because there is let's say some blue, or in this case some sensitive content. So inside where the element that says goods and services, you select friends and family, where you will notice the purchase protection shield. This appears directly inside there because the total estimate is no longer going to be making the actual charge fee. So double check the button to the screen. It should say fee as $0. So it is if the element of course appears as fee, you need to go back, change your payment source to your bank, and make sure that you have done this process once again. Now, if you're sending money to family abroad, for example, you wanted to be careful because even with friends option, international transfers might be not for free nowadays. So PayPal charges you up to 5% fee for international transfers plus a currency conversion markup. If you're sending I believe $1,000, you will pay about $5 in fee plus these exchange rate differences. Now the golden rule here is that never use friends and family to buy something from a stranger. So if your seller on Facebook Marketplace or Discord asks for a friend or family to save in fees, they are likely trying to scam you. So once that money is sent, you cannot get it back. So make sure that you don't try to fall for that, guys. So this is how we can actually do this process, guys. Just in case you have any error, just in case it didn't work at all, what you need to do is to make sure that you have just go for the option that says contact us. So here PayPal can be helping you with the process into your account to see if there's an error or there's a holding into your bank or a debit card or the payment that you're actually currently using. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.